It is that time of year where we've got brand new 2026 models coming in, and today we're going to be looking at a 2026 Cool straight from the factory. It's 990 pounds dry weight, can fit up to 4 people, and perfect size for a compact car or anything above that. A little bit of history on Prolites. Prolites are Canadian made quality trailers, and they're designed to be extra lightweight, designed for cars, vans, and SUVs. As I've mentioned before, this particular model can be towed with a compact car with its particular dry weight. They've got tons of features. We've put upgrades on this model as well coming from the factory, so let's get right into it. Starting off the front, we've got a manual tongue jack there on the front. We have opted to get a spare tire for this unit, so we have the spare tire mounted there on the front as well. With the Cool, you get this nice large window here on the front. It's got this great dark tint here. Great job for keeping the air regulated on the inside, but just giving you privacy on the inside, as well as the option to look at your surroundings once you're sitting inside for the evening. Prolites are also designed with a single piece of fiberglass from the very front, wrapped around all the way to the very back, which really does a great job at eliminating worries of having seals go bad on the roof. Walking around, we don't have it installed quite yet, but this model will have a hard shell awning upgraded on the exterior, which will be included in the price. You've got these nice wheels here, and also with the 2025s and 2026s, they've got this higher ride height than they used to, which means you're going to reduce the options of bottoming out when you are towing with a smaller vehicle and towing in general on rougher roads. You've got manual stabilizers around the rear, and they also give you this option to have, not an option, but with the Cool, you have this outdoor storage area. Although you have a small trailer, you still have the option to store a couple of belongings here on the exterior. You can easily slide camp chairs in there, marshmallow roasters, just sewer hoses. We don't need sewer hoses in this model, but anything you don't want on the inside, you can store on the outside. It's always nice to have that option. You've got a nice large window in the rear, and you've got more windows here on this side. Stepping onto the interior of the trailer, you're going to notice this Cool is pretty spacious. Although it is a small, lightweight trailer, you've got lots of floor plan here in the middle, plenty of options to bring things along with you. If you're the type of person that loves enjoying the outdoors, you can pack this up with a whole bunch of outdoor extras. You can have extra little gazebos, outdoor cooking tops, tables, anything that you can pack into this trailer and set up outside once you're at your campground. This is a very great trailer if you are looking for a couples trailer, because this is set up as a couch right now, but it easily does convert to a bed. You just pull out this area here, you tuck these cushions in here, now you have an extra bed. So if you are a small family, you got kids or grandkids, got an extra bed, you've got your bed for you, and this dinette can be converted to a bed for the extra kids, grandkids, extra guests. However, if you're just a couple, it means you can have a dinette set up 24/7 and a bed set up 24/7. So anytime you get to a campsite, you are not setting up and taking down, you are ready to go. These 2026s have a nice light, airy design to them. You've got this nice white wallpaper, which is great at giving you lots of light on the inside. However, they also come with these full blackout magnetic blinds as well. It gives you tons of options where you can fold them up halfway, have them magnetic to each other to let a little bit of light in, 100% blackout, or you can fully remove them all together. It's one of the things that came out with the 2025 Prolites, was very popular, so it's sticking for the 2026s. Up above, you've got storage and cargo netting. This particular model, you get plenty of LED puck lighting throughout. You've got this nice large fan on top. And as I've mentioned before, you've got this great dinette area as well with plenty of windows and more storage. You get storage up underneath these as well. 2026s, much like the 25s, have these great new hardware advancements where you're not going to have these hinges falling on you when you're trying to store belongings. This Cool has a pop-out little side table, as well as this table is pop-up as well. So once you want more floor space in here for storage, all of this folds away and you get all that room to yourself. If you are looking for a great quality Canadian-made lightweight travel trailer, this brand new 2026 Cool is definitely something worth checking out. If you want to see everything else it has to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.